Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today we'll explain about the course which name is Taseer Almas Life Sperm Grow course offered by Taseer Dawakhana and Taseer Pharma Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program I will brief you what is male infertility, why it's happened and its symptoms, reasons of this disease, indications male infertility types and how to cure this disease. Viewers, first of all we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile. And there are several hormones which affects on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. In general, the normal testosterone range in males is about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary gland in males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It stimulates leading cell production of testosterone for males. The normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormone levels are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problems. Their pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary gland that regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive process of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormones levels in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormones level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormone levels in males may indicate problem with the pituitary gland in the brain. There are some indications. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, 50 to 60% infertile cases may have infertility problems. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility, or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and our exposure to certain environmental elements. Now I will tell you about type of diseases. Viewers, semen producing testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin shed surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that hold your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common causes of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. There are three types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and ectoospermia. Now I will tell you about what is azoospermia. Viewers, azoospermia is the medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed via semen lysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperms. If he has 50 millions or less than 50 millions active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. Viewers, a man produce 50,000 sperm in a minute, 72 millions in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm diseases. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientist of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, dairy doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology and every type of infection, and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase AGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Now I will tell you some extra benefits about this course. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course is a special and expensive course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course highest quality and verified are purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improves physical health. Some special impacts. Quality is to achieve the confidence and sexually satisfying experience which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and with problem with venous. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. Some precautions. For better avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medications, avoid eating potatoes, beans, beef, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap, it also affects your penis and make you infertile, so avoid to do this thing. Quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of a fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility and any alcohol use can affect the health of our developing sperms. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experience psychological stress had poorer results with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your fertility with Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topics and its treatments. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.